Peach. Hey. It's over here.
Hi, Peach.
Over here.
How are you? What's going on?
I saw him, it's Ghost. Pumpkin. Oh my god, I'm scared.
You better not beat her up, Ghost. I'll kill you.
Ghost.
Don't.
Ghost, there's food for everyone. Oh no.
I'm scared.
No. Stop it. No. And the door's open too.
Oh,
Darn it.
But Ghost, you jerk.
Ghost.
Ghost, Pumpkin was in the middle of eating.
Oh my god. Hey. It's okay. Come here. I'm getting it. It's in the fridge. Wait. Oh wait, no it's not. Peach.
Peach update.
How are you doing, Peachy? Pretty good? You look really good. Pumpkin! Oh, there you are. Pumpkin! Hi. Okay, anyone who follows me for Pumpkin, here's what happened today. So actually Pumpkin got a little injury on her left leg, and I had an appointment scheduled for the 5th for her spay and like vaccines and stuff. But since she got an injury on her leg, I decided I had to take her in now. So I took her to the vet this morning, and she wasn't able to get spayed, but she did get some medication for her leg, and she got some like flea medication, and she got a few vaccines, and she'll be going back in a week for her spay. And now this is her first time ever in my room, and she is doing pretty good for being like an ex-feral cat. Like this is her first time being in a house really. So I'm really happy, and Peach is back there. He doesn't really care. Let's do a Pumpkin house tour. Ready, Pumpkin? Let's show them your house. So right in front of my door is her little house, and here is her water that I have to change like 3 times a day because it gets dirty. And then this is her food bowl that she already finished eating this morning. And then here is her blankie, and then the door to her little house with some stuffed animals inside, and it's really comfy in there. Do you like it in there? Yeah, she likes it. And then these wires are the heating pads. I have them on right now because it's like 40 degrees, but I only turn them on when it's pretty cold, and in Texas that doesn't happen that much. So, and then I have them protected by this towel and the blanket, and that's all. And even though I feed her, she still likes to eat grass. I understand, it's probably really good. you. So do you know how to do this programming assignment? Oh, you do? You're pretty smart, aren't you? Wow.
Day 1 bringing Pumpkin inside. She was okay at first, but then she got spooked and hasn't left the tub. Hopefully she will eat soon.
I think I heard someone hiss. Was that you? It wasn't you? Then who was it? Do you need something? Right now? Peach, I'm awake now. You can come here. Oh, okay. Peach, why do you have the same 4 toys out? They're all the exact same. You don't need all... Oh. I'm sorry I made you so mad. Sorry. Are you hungry? Say yeah!
I love you, Pumpkin.
You what?
I love you.
Well, don't.
Pumpkin? Yes! Is that where the food is? Yeah. That's the fridge with the food in it. Are you hungry? Yeah. Do you want me to open it? And get your food